Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel DIY Decorize. So Holi is here and I bring you today the beautiful DIY decorative tray which you can give to your friends and family. So Holi is celebrated for the eternal and divine love of Radha and Krishna. It resembles the joy, love and friendship of the year. It is said love all, forgive all and start afresh. इसीलिए तो कहते हैं बुरा ना मानो होली है. So I will show you the easiest DIY today which you can make it with scrap material which you can find it at your home easily and with minimal budget. So let's begin our tutorial. We will need cardboard and color paper. Glue the paper on top of the cardboard. Continue to do so in every corner of the cardboard. Then we'll glue the lace on the top. So I'm using contrast color with 2-color lace. I'm cutting the top head of the paper cup. Then we'll paint the cups with different acrylic color. I will cut the cardboard in round shape to make wheel for the tray. I'm pasting the round cardboard with color paper. Then we'll stick lace in middle to give prominent look. Wheels are done, so we'll stick it on both sides of the corner. To make the stand, I will glue the barbecue sticks inside the tray like the way I am doing now. So now I am making flower with color paper, cutting in the shape of leaf and folding it to make it look zigzag. Then we'll paste all the leaves in shape of flower. पिचकारी के बिना होली अधूरी है. So I am making paper पिचकारी with color paper again. We'll glue the paper and roll it completely. Then make a cone shape and glue on top of roll paper. Giving some effect on the paper pichkari. Now it's time to decorate the tray. गिफ्ट ट्रे फीकी है अगर उसमें चॉकलेट्स एंड स्नैक्स ना हो. I have made some extra quotes for the tray decoration. You can customize as per your own as well. We'll complete the look with the netted shimmer cloth. Here the final look. तो ये था beautiful DIY gift tray which you can make it at your home very easily. मुझे जल्दी से कमेंट में बताइए आपको इजी लगा या हार्ड. और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. एंड विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी होली.